look at balancing chemical equations. The idea with balancing is that I want to figure out what numbers to put in front, the coefficients, the numbers on these lines, in order to make sure that no atoms are gained or lost during this reaction. For example, the way that it's written now, before I determine the coefficients, it looks like I have 2 silver atoms, Ag atoms, before the reaction takes place and only 1 after. So we need to fix that, adding coefficients, the numbers in front, in order to make sure that we have the same number of atoms, each type of atoms, before and after the reaction. When I say before and after the reaction, this is the before, and these products are what's present after. We cannot balance by changing these coefficients or these subscripts here. Some people might try to just balance this like this. That's not correct, because the product that is here is just Ag, one atom, and they're not connected together. That would mean like an Ag molecule that was connected. So don't change these little numbers when you go to balance. Only change the numbers in front. Before you start, you should kind of look at what you have and look for elements that are by themselves somewhere. You see how aluminum is by itself here and silver is by itself there. Those are good elements to save for last. Let's do our other element first. We have sulfur. It's the only other one we have. There's 1 sulfur before and 3 sulfurs after. So we add a coefficient to make it so that now we had 3 sulfurs before and 3 sulfur atoms after. Since we just put this coefficient here and that affected silver as well, let's go to silver next. Can you see how many silver atoms are before? It's 3 times 2. This represents 6 silver atoms. So on this side, we need to add a 6 for the coefficient here. So sulfur and silver are both balanced. That leaves aluminum. There are 2 aluminum here, so we better put a 2 in front here so that now silver is balanced, or aluminum is balanced as well. Since we never put a number here, the number that's understood is a 1, and we really don't usually show that, but that is considered the coefficient there. We usually just will leave that blank.